Hi, my name's Ruth and we're at BS15 Doors and Windows in Oldham Common, Bristol. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to design a new composite door for your property, and we're going to be doing this on our door designer via our website. So, open up your browser and visit our website www.bs15doors.co.uk. Should take you to our home page. Okay, so this is our home page. Click on Doors, scroll down to Composite Doors, hit the Endurance Doors tab. Okay, so this is our page all about endurance doors. Endurance doors are solid core composite doors. So here we've got the door designer. Accept the cookies policy. Okay, this is where we start designing your door. So let's click our frame configuration. So this is going to be a single door. If you wanted a stable door, you'd click this one. If you wanted the Avantel smooth range doors, that's this one. But we're just going to hit the single doors tab. Okay, so we're not going for, these are all the different frame combinations that we've got. There are lots of them. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to hit the no side lights one. There we go. Right, this is where we get all the different door styles come up. And there are quite a few. So they run in alphabetical order, as you can see. And you can click on any one of these. Let's go for the Alto, because that's rather a popular door. Okay, then we pick our colours. So we can pick on any of these colours. We can change any of these details later on as well. So let's choose Claystone, which is a brand new colour just in this week. It's a lovely natural colour. And let's just pick some plain satin glass for our door. And then we can pick a backing glass, but I'm just going to select clear for this one. Okay, so here's our door. If we wanted to change the style, we just click on door style and let's just pick the Beaumont, and then it should just change the picture for us. But I'm going to change that back to an Alto. Okay, so we can select a frame colour here. I think this Claystone door looks really great in an anthracite frame. That's anthracite grey. You might not like that. You can pick any of these colours, look. And they can be the same colour inside, or you can have it white inside as well. So we can change the side that it's hinged on. We can change the colour of our hardware. So maybe we'll have black hardware with this. We can select lots of different handles. So we could choose to have a stainless steel handle with it, which looks really great. And then we could select a stainless steel letter plate maybe. So there we go. So it's easy as that, and you can tap back on any of these selections to change your ideas. So you can either save that to a PDF, or you can actually view it on home. So if you've got a picture of your house on your computer or whatever device you're designing your door on, you can upload the picture and then put your door design in to see what your new door may look like. And it's only a rough idea, but sometimes when you see this, sometimes you don't like it, so it gives you an idea. Anyway, so hit the get quote button, fill in your details, and send it off. And that will come into us, and we'll send you a quotation promptly. It's as easy as that. Thank you for watching. This is Ruth from BS15 Doors and Windows. You've been watching how to configure and design your new front door. Thank you.